Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best spinning fishing rod that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5. Best spinning fishing rod. There are many activities you can enjoy doing in your leisure time. Fishing is one of them. Going fishing, you can enjoy the great view of the lakes or rivers, have fun and get food at the same time. Start fishing today with the fishing rod of your own choice. In case you are interested in walleye jigging rod, visit fishersland.com for top quality jigging rods of the market. Number 5. Okuma Tundra Surf Glass Spinning Rods. 5+ tip reinforced, double-footed guides with ceramic inserts, fold-down stripper guide. EVA foam fore and rear grips, split butt grip configuration. Main features: corrosion-resistant stainless steel, durable glass fiber rod, 1-year warranty. Number 4. Shimano FX 7 feet 0 inches M freshwater casting fishing rod. These versatile rods cover a wide variety of applications and lengths, perfect for any stream or for light saltwater applications. Main features: durable aero glass blank construction, comfortable EVA foam rubber grips, split grip style handle. Number 3. Eagle Claw PK555 SP Packet Telescopic Spinning Rod. Eagle Claw offers consumers an extremely price-competitive product without compromising quality or attention to detail, spanning both fresh and saltwater fishing. Main features: durable glass construction, EVA foam handle, 1-year warranty. Number 2. Shakespeare Micro Spinning Fishing Rod. If you haven't tried it yet, ultralight fishing can be one of the most enjoyable ways to fish. Variety of actions and lengths to fit any species are perfect for fishing. Main features: made to be reliable and durable, stainless steel inserts, full cork handles. Number 1. Ugly Stick GX2 Spinning Fishing Rod. Durable ugly tough one-piece stainless steel guides, clear tip design for strength and sensitivity, 6 inches medium power spinning rod. Main features: durable and lightweight EVA grips, graphite and fiberglass construction, 7-year warranty. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.